Members of the Hnyf National Youth Front (Hnyf) Southeast Circle on Friday visited Polo Orchid Resort to follow up on their earlier demand to remove the private security agency currently operating at the resort. The visit came after the expiry of a one-week deadline given by the organization to the resort management to disengage Security Intelligence Service or SIS, which had been entrusted with providing security services at the premises. The organization had alleged that the agency failed to comply with several required norms, including obtaining a no objection certificate or NOC from the Darbar Shnong, securing a trading license from the Khas Hills Autonomous District Council, and addressing concerns related to medical claims. The group also accused the agency of terminating local employees working as security guards at the resort. Following a meeting with the management, Hnyf Southeast Circle spokesperson Banjob Langkhongwir said the resort authorities had agreed to the organization's demand to induct a local security agency before removing the existing firm. The organization has also called upon security agencies from the Hnyf region to visit the resort within the next 3 to 4 days and apply for the contract to manage security services at the establishment.
Halo kajing long jiman jung kini ki agensi di bawah nak kini kitan ki jungi ya kaba kini ki agensi ki lai lai nak ki portion ban nak buat juga konsel di mata kasni nak kalian kaseng hadin ngila iPod si kayau ya Polo Orchid ringilawan ban ya kendu yang ni ban ya syong ban ya perkat ban ya perkat halo kajing long juman jukini jongkani ke agensi SIS kabadon hang ni ya kaba kapon kabanikong kaba kaya light nakasnong kabamut kamdon ya NOC kapon baar kabaka ya light nakadiskursil kabamut bakamdon ya katringasan kabalong spesifik akan nikajaka bat ya kaba kani ke SIS ru kabadon ya ka red mark ya bakani ke complain pelapoi siapo ka district council bat siapo ka labor department din nakaleng jong ni keseng ka rai kaba ni syong menta halor kini kijing bombek ranjang juga ni ke agensi di nakaliang jong ka Polo Orchid menta kasni kajing yadon rekat lang jong GM di nila ulah kubur menta kasni ya ba bon sim ya karai ba hakabayade ban penbit bahabayade bagi lokal agensi kijong ni bakin wan mi sakani kijaka ban sim menta hakaban nak menta kini ki security guard ba kinyo bantrai hakani kajaka jungi datangkan ni kadai kajingkentu panakal kaseng isno bat kerpat bagi kekal agensi la dalam kabala apo kani ka license ni ka sausni ka bamta bakin wan mi no upload shakini kijaka nang namar baka kaseng ka bakalayang ikan nongrim nak banta kila di okam di jam jungi perdok prosnam ibadai kini ki agensi ru bakin yo bantrai hakini kijaka kenang bakat pensuk pat yaki perdok prosnam jungi di bantrai hakani katha jungi lada kejon daki lokal agensi laki jong